As pipes age, root intrusion, infiltration, and exfiltration cause cracking, breaking, and backups. Repairing or replacing these old pipes with the conventional open cut method is costly, time-consuming, and intrusive. Cured-in-place pipe rehabilitation by Hammerhead provides a cost-effective, no-dig, durable, and impervious pipe with improved flow, with no interference with existing infrastructure. Cured-in-place pipe is compatible with nearly all pipe materials, such as clay, cast, PVC, and concrete. CIPP can rehabilitate bends of up to 90 degrees, either horizontally or vertically. A custom cut-to-length resin-impregnated liner is wound into an inversion drum. Compressed air inverts the liner, resin side out, into the hose pipe through the drum's nozzle until it reaches the opposite end. The liner is cured to the existing pipe using hot water, steam, or ambient air, activating the resin's hardener and forcing the lining smoothly and firmly against the host pipe throughout the cure. Once hardened, the pipe can be placed back into service for at least another 50 years with no root intrusions or backups. Cured in-place pipe rehabilitation by Hammerhead, a proven, long-lasting, trenchless repair method for renewing aging and deteriorated pipes. Equipment, expertise, and support. Rehab and replacement pros trust Hammerhead Trenchless.